Israel's military declared on Tuesday that it has pumped seawater to flood the Hamas tunnel network in order to destroy the tunnel system. This is the first time that the Israeli army officially acknowledged that it has using the controversial strategy, since some environmental experts have warned that such move could destroy the vast majority of Gaza's drinkable water and harm agriculture. Israel believes that there is about 600 to 700 kilometers of tunnels beneath Gaza, and around 80% of the system have remained intact.
The Israeli offensive against Gaza continues, despite news about an expected ceasefire deal, as the chairman of Hamas's political bureau, Ismail Haniyeh, said in a statement on Tuesday that the group has received a ceasefire and hostage swap deal proposal from Israel and that Hamas is studying it. The White House announced on Monday that negotiators have developed a framework for a ceasefire plan that could lead to an eventual deal. Qatar also cited progress in talks for a ceasefire on the same day. Israeli media also reported that Israel is seeking a humanitarian agreement where they would release Palestinian political prisoners in exchange of women and elderly Israeli hostages, and planning to pause fighting for 2 months or more without commitment to ending the war.